Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In the previous video, you watched me do a complete makeover of our patio, and I was very pleased with the results. We also have a balcony next to our spare bedroom, and now since we are moved back for good, I want to do a makeover of this balcony as well. As you can see here, it's not very inviting. I've rarely opened this door in past few years. I need to do something to make it interesting and an area we could enjoy spending time in. So I decided to create a balcony veggie garden by building planter boxes and stands, then filling them with different kinds of vegetable plants. I need to build a raised planter box that high enough so the vegetables could get enough sunlight in the balcony. I bought the lumber from Home Depot. As it's for outdoor use, I bought 6 pieces of cedar wood fence boards for only $4 each. I need to attach 2 cedar boards to 3 2x2 legs on each side. To make sure the planter box would be level on the ground, I put all 3 legs against the door frame. Then I pre-drilled the screw holes for each stack and assembled them together. Then repeated this step for the other side. To add support for the bottom, I bought a roll of galvanized steel mesh, 24 inches in width. That's how I decided the width of the planter box. I cut the end boards in 24 inches, which is the same width with the steel mesh. That makes it easier to assemble with less cuts. I just use a garden pruner to cut the mesh to fit, then use a staple gun to secure it to the bottom. I have this galvanized steel hanger strap on hand from the bathroom renovation, so I cut some of these in pieces and added them onto the bottom for extra support. I then stained the planter box with the minwax wood finish. Color is an early American. This is the basic landscape fabric I bought from Lowe's, and I used the staple gun to line the interior with it. To give it more rustic and interesting look, I made some farmhouse stencils and added them to the box. When I did the bathroom renovation, the supporting wood frame for the vanity lights had to be removed. I saved it for later and I think it's perfect to use it for this project. I removed all the old nails, patched the holes with a wood filler, sanded it smooth, and painted it with the black exterior paint. I wanted to place 6 plant pots in the frame. To do this, I need to cut 4 pieces of trim and use small brackets to secure them onto the frame. Then I used the shelf brackets to mount the frame to the top lip of the balcony. These are the old signs that used to be on the patio wall for years, and I think they're ready for the brand new looks. All the boxes in the plant pots, including these two old drawers, were thrifted items, for which I paid a couple dollars each. I spray painted the large pots in black, and for the boxes I used the hole saw bit to drill through the bottom of each box for drainage. My balcony veggie garden setup is now complete, and the plants are growing. Let's see how good the crop is when harvest time arrives. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.